Friends, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. We have 4 power x plus 2 power x and this is equals to 20. Here we need to calculate the value of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 4 power x plus 2 power x and this is equals to 20. Look carefully, here base is 4 and here base is 2, but we know that 4 is 2 power 2 bracket power x plus and here 2 power x and this is equals to 20. Now look carefully this expression. Here we will apply base and exponent rule. A power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule here, then this 2 and this x are interchanged, then 2 power x bracket power 2 plus 2 power x and this is equals to 20. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute 2 power x, this is equals to m, then in left hand side m square plus m and this is equals to 20. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m square plus m minus 20 and this is equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation m square plus m minus 20, this is equals to 0. This quadratic equation is factorizable. Now here we will apply middle term split. M square plus m is same as 5m minus 4m minus 20 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common m in first two terms, m square divided by m, then here m plus 5m divided by m, then you will get here 5. Now look carefully here, if we take common minus 4 times m divided by minus 4, then you will get m minus 20 divided by minus 4, then here plus 5 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, m plus 5 and here m plus 5. Now if we take common m plus 5 and this is multiplied by m minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Here let's say this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule, if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then here you can say m plus 5, this is equals to 0 or m minus 4, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to minus 5 and value of m is equals to 4. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. And case first, m is equals to minus 5. And recall, m is 2 power x and this is equals to minus 5. We know that x belongs to real number. If x belongs to real number, then 2 power x is always positive. So in left hand side we have 2 power x and this is positive number. And in right hand side we have minus 5, this is negative number. So here x does not belongs to real number. No real roots. Now solve case second. And here value of m is equals to 4. And we know that m is 2 power x and this is equals to 4. Then 2 power x, this is equals to 4 is 2 power 2. Now in left hand side base is 2 and in right hand side base is 2, but in left hand side power is x and in right hand side power is 2. So if we compare both sides, then you can say x is equals to 2. Here in this question value of x is 2. Now let's check this solution. The given equation is 4 power x plus 2 power x is equals to 20. 4 power x plus 2 power x and this is equals to 20. And here value of x is equals to 2. Now in left hand side 4 power x is replaced by 2 plus 2 power 2 and this is equals to 20. 4 power 2 is 16 plus 2 power 2 is 4 and this is equals to 20. In left hand side 16 plus 4 is 20 and this is equals to 20. Here left hand side is equals to right hand side. Look carefully. X is equals to 2. If we substitute in given equation, then left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means x is equals to 2 is a solution of this question. So this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.